She hit me like that. Saw that thing so beautiful. She just hit my heart, oh. Full force and she got me like I be like, baby, why you so fine? Got to make you mine. So hard to find. Baby, like, oh.
Happy birthday, Ate Keisha!
Happy birthday, Julia!
Our place, we make the rules.
Happy birthday, Ate Kay! Sana kahit nasa legal age ka na, makakapag-tiktok pa din tayo. Makakapagrambulan pa din tayong dalawa. Takutan, habulan sa hagdanan. Yung hindi ako madidisgrasya sana. Yun lang, happy birthday!
Where you go.
Happy birthday, Keisha, anak. Ngayong 18 ka na, best wishes ko sa'yo, mag-aral mabuti. Tsaka laging talas-talasan. Huwag ka muna mag-aasawa.
Happy birthday, Ate Keisha! Wish ko sa'yo, sana matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo.
Lover.
Happy birthday, Keisha! We love you!
Happy birthday, Keisha! Happy birthday, Kay! We love you!
Our place, we make the call. And I'm highly suspicious that everyone who sees you wants you. I've loved you 3 summers now, honey, but I want them all. Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever? Take me out and take me home forever.
Kailangan makatulong muna tayo sa pamilya natin at sa mga kapatid mo.
Matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo. And sana, yung gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo, magawa mo. Yun lang.
With every guitar string scar on my hand, I take this magnetic force of a man to be my lover. My heart's been borrowed and yours has been blue. All's well that ends well to end up with you. Swear to be over dramatic and true to my.
Yun lang naman yung mga gusto ko eh. Tuto kayo sa buhay at sana yung mali itapon, yung tama itabi. Yun lang, Ate Keisha. At mahal na mahal kita. Gagawin ko lahat ng paghihirap, ako ang sasalo para sa inyo. Ganun pa man, mahal na mahal kita. Happy birthday sa iyo, Ate Kay.
Happy birthday, anak. I love you.
Where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever? Take me out and take me home forever and ever. You're my. Oh, you're my. Lover.